Okay, so I posted my fan in a can video earlier today. An awful lot of people are saying, "Oh, the noise! How can you stand it?" It sounds worse on the video than it is in real life, and I just thought I'd do a quick decibel test on it. I've left this loose so you can see that the microphone is in shot here. I put a mic on a boom because I found it gets better sound for me, and obviously when I'm perched on a bench like this, that's all going to be closer to the can than it is to me, so it will pick up an awful lot of that noise. So it's not actually as bad as it might originally seem. Anyway, I've got decibel meter app in my phone. It's exactly a meter away from the microphone to the fan. I've got a camera trained on it so we can see what's going on, and we're going to move you back a little bit so you don't get deafened. I'll leave you as you are. So that's recording. We'll put this onto a hold. Okay, so that's a fairly steady 55 dB. Actually not that noisy at all. The vacuums were 65 and 67 or something like that when we tested those, so certainly less noisy than having a vacuum running all the time. 55 dB, probably still worth having hearing protection on, but again, I'm not expecting to be in here when it's on very much. It's the kind of thing I want to set going and then leave while the air clears. But hopefully that clears up a few things for yourselves about how loud the fan actually is. In fact, my voice is louder right now than that fan was, so there you go. Anyway, quick little video, little throwaway one for you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.